How to redeem Costa Coffee promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Costa Coffee promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get promo code for Costa Coffee. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Costa Coffee. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one. Voucher.discount. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Costa Coffee. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 20% off, $30 off, and many more. You can hit towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Once you get the code, you can copy the code, then you can head over to the website of Costa Coffee. Once you're on the website, log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're gonna find this section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your order. With that, your code will be redeemed and you will get certain amount as a discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Costa Coffee. To grab any of the offer and redeem any of the code, you have to use same exact steps. So this is how you can easily redeem Costa Coffee promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.